Namaste dosto, this is Rohit Shah from Kismet Connection. Today I'm here with the new product, the compact version of the Space Energizer. This is the Sacred Geometry that I have used, and it's done on the PCB board with the copper etching, so it's very powerful and very robust. It won't come off that easily. This is the compact version to the earlier, the one I had, the Space Energizer box. This one can carry the energy up to 3 stories, 3 floors. We have measured that on the site, while this one is per floor you have to install in all the directions and the center. So today I'm going to check the energy, how much the energy this throws. So I'm gonna first use the L rod. So if it opens up fully, then it's 100% energy. So as you can see, it's open up 100%. Now I'm going to try with the pendulum and see the energy. As you can see that it's moving very fast and the clockwise, so that means it's very positive. Now I'm going to cover this. Generally I recommend that you should put it under the tile, लेकिन कई जगह पे जहाँ पे लोग रह रहे हैं तो वहाँ पे पॉसिबल नहीं है. They can put it on floor, लेकिन जो अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन है वो टाइल्स के नीचे रख सकते हैं. तो आई एम जस्ट गोना कवर दिस, गोना पुट 2 notepads on it just to produce the practical scenario. I don't have the tile, so I'm using this notepad and covering the box. So let's see the energy, whether I'm still getting the positive swing, full swing or not. Here it is full swing. Again measure करते हैं कि पूरा positive आता है कि नहीं. Yep, it's positive. Let's do with the pendulum. So again, pendulum se bhi same energy after covering the Space Energizer, getting the same. Look at the swing, it's so fast and so wide. So if you want, I recommend that every house should have, especially जहाँ पे particular direction में cut है या wrong elements वहाँ पे है, तो they can use this. So it will boost the positive energy in that particular direction or zone. So सबके लिए recommend करता हूँ. Under the tile या ऊपर the tile भी रख सकते हैं आप without any worry of the energy, because this will continue to produce positive energy in that particular direction. If you want more information and how to order it, then do get in touch with the given number. Thank you very much, friends. This is Rohit Shah from Kismet Connection.